I'm on the Sudan South Sudan border, where 7 million people have been displaced since the war started. Sudan is in that direction, and we're in South Sudan here. These are new arrivals just come across the border, and they're going to get checked into a medical centre then behind me here. Goal are operating here, an Irish NGO. There's also MSF and UNHCR. The figures are stark: 7 million people displaced. 388,000 people very newly displaced due to flooding here in the region, and there is something around 700,000 malnourished children. The situation here is that South Sudan is in a grave situation, but obviously the war in Sudan has completely exacerbated that.
So we're at a site where medical and support services are being provided. So Gold's response here is that we work with women and children that are coming across. We screen if any of the children are malnourished, and we provide medical support. We provide medical foodstuffs like high energy biscuits, treatment for moderate and severe malnutrition, and to make sure that the children are stabilised and well before they move on further into South Sudan seeking refuge.